Happy Vlogmas, everyone. Oh my god. I'm so happy it's December. So I don't really know how much fun today is gonna be because I did wake up very late. I have to be at work in 18 minutes. It's day one of December. I got this advent calendar from Target a couple weeks ago. Oh, this is so cute. I will definitely be reusing this box. It opens up like that. And they're like, hold on, let's take out day one. Shaped like a little star. Okay, this is just regular chocolate. So they have milk chocolate stars, milk chocolate sandwich cookies, milk chocolate hazelnut truffles, dark chocolate raspberry truffles, and dark chocolate sea salt caramel truffles. This is just a regular milk chocolate star. I just looked over at Connor's door because I heard a little like shuffling. Eric's got his arm like that. Hold on, honey. I'll come get you in a second. So, I am not in my apartment. I am down the street, down the hall at my neighbor's apartment because I'm watching his cats while he's gone. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh. They're gonna be gone for like 4 months. This is Peppers. You're Peppers. Your name is Peppers. They are Prussian blues. They're so cute. Hold on. Mimi. Yeah. Hi, Mimi. How you doing? I call her Mimi. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You just fell on your brother. Anyway, I come here before work every day to, feed them, make sure their water is full. And then I come here, oh my god, I come here every day after work to like play with them if I get off at like 2 or 3. Oh, hi. And then I usually come here like 7 or 8 to make sure they have enough food. Move aside. Oh. But I'm getting paid $100 a week, which, considering I'm moving in a couple months, that's good. Like, I can really use that. Hi. Oh. How was your day? Did you have a good day? Good girl. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. I know. You love it. Okay, I just got home and I got some packages. Yay, I'm so excited. I ran out of like all of my makeup. I ran out of foundation, concealer, mascara. I'm almost out of eyeliner. Everything. So I went on Amazon and I bought this because it was cheaper on there than it was on at Ulta. So I got my little concealer. I got the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. I'm so excited about these. I read somewhere that you're supposed to, even if you like buy them firsthand, you're supposed to wash your sheets before you put them on your bed. So I think I'm gonna do laundry soon tonight. And okay, so they are Nutcracker sheets. So they've got like the Nutcracker little trees. There's the sugar plum. Oh, she's on the other side. Yeah, Nutcrackers, trees, guards, the mice people, little sugar plum fairy. And then I also got, these are coming tomorrow. I got a matching duvet cover. So like literally the exact same, it's the same company that made it. So it's the exact same print, just a duvet cover. And then it comes with, because this one came with 2 pillow coverings, pillowcases, if you will. Pillowcases if you're nasty. And, but I sleep with 4 pillows. So the duvet cover also comes with 2 pillows. So my bed is going to be decked out in Nutcracker themed sheets. Yeah, so those should be coming in tomorrow. I just put my stuff in the dryer and I got a notification that I got another package. It's the best time of the year. I'm pretty sure this one is from Ulta. So I got, that better not be what the shade actually looks like. I got the Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. Oh, this is actually different. I usually get the skin tint. Okay, that looks like that might be the right shade. A Too Faced mascara because they were this one was 50% off. It's the Damn Girl mascara. I was gonna get the Better Than Sex mascara, but this one was 50% off, so what was that? I think I know how to use it. Thanks. What is this? Okay. Basically what it just says on the back. So look at this. That is so cute. And then, oh god. Do you see that? What? Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so this is what I have right now. I have the Tartelette XL tubing mascara, and it's like completely out. Let me show you side by side of that one and my Too Faced one that I just got. That is the Too Faced. That is the Tarte. Can you focus? God, look how dry my hands are. Look at that. That's insane.
upstairs. It's alive! I have a secret you would die for.
Okay, so I just had like 4 sips of an Alani and now I'm sick. Literally, what do they put in that shit? I don't understand how like all those influencers can like drink them every single day. I take 2 sips and I'm down. I have a stomach ache. I'm like so nauseous. I can't even. I just want to go to sleep. I can't do this. But I ordered noodles. I got my spaghetti and meatballs, and I got my Caesar salad. And I'm gonna watch Golden Girls and go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, for Vlogmas Day 2. Bye.